Alright guys, so we're at an estate sale and I haven't recorded in a while, haven't used the GoPro, but we're gonna give it a go. So let's go, yo.
1, 2, lunchtime, 3, 4, lunchtime. 1, 2, lunchtime, 3, 4, lunchtime. 1, 2, lunchtime, 3, 4, lunchtime. Lyrics that is fit to make rain turn to sunshine. Hit 'em with the punchline, catch 'em on the blind side. Elevated in one, make the day turn to nighttime.
And if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, smash the thumbs up button, and hit the notification bell down below to get notified when I post another video. Let's go. Alright, let's go. This camera set up, right? I'm gonna buy the whole thing. There's my printer. There's my ink. Yeah, they want 50.
Prices.
Yeah, they're gonna be like that. Oh look, it's the clapper. What's going on, buddy? Did you find anything good?
No, I'm just starting a little bit.
Yeah, they're still bringing stuff out, so I guess we'll see, right? Dollhouse. How much is the clothing?
I don't know. I guess right here, $2 a piece. Like the Harley shirt, she said 10. Yeah, I kind of heard.
Overpriced.
Yeah, it's overpriced. Everything is.
35.
And they're not even really say that's it for the I mean, like, look, how much is she want for this? This is from the dollar store.
Yeah.
They do same prices.
There's Armani Exchange. Low end Armani. Yeah. That's a pretty cool Harley.
But they're going to be ready by
2013. Aha, 5-finger death punch. Kidding me, right? Good find.
Yeah.
There's a lady down here selling clothes for about 50 cents a piece.
Yeah, where's that at?
On Norway, about half mile down that way, across the track.
Down here?
Down this way, on the, make a left on Norway.
Okay.
She's on the right hand side.
Yeah, I should have went right to the clothing because he just grabbed that 5-finger death punch. Well, can't get everything, right? This is a nice Dale, actually. Why did he leave that? There's Gibson. This is cool. That's a good one right there. I don't, why would he leave that? That's a $50 shirt. There's another one. Oh, he even left all the good ones. Look at that one.
I like
Logo
that one.
Athletic. Flyers. You're kidding me, right? Not everybody looks for the right stuff, man.
Yeah, but he don't know the prices she wants
Look
from
at
that either.
Shady.
That's probably why he. I don't know what the price. Look,
Oh,
I'm
that
getting
one's
this
got-
for the house.
It's nice. Look at the Shady.
Yeah.
Slim Shady.
Yeah, but how much do they want for?
We're gonna find out.
Oscar. How
I'm
much?
probably gonna pass on all the Harley stuff because it's gonna be too much, and a lot of it don't sell for much. It has to be old.
No, they're the shirts.
No, they're just regular.
So these are all $10. No, not this. These are not shirts. These here, this. Is that the one that's autographed? Let me call her real quick. 1 second. Oh Lord Jesus, hold on.
Well, he just pulled the 5-finger death punch, so I don't know which one that was, but
Who's he?
Oh,
the other guy that was buying. So there was one. I don't know if that has an autograph on it or not, but. Yeah, I'm not paying 10 a piece. Not with stains.
No.
'Cause- No.
No.
I'm sorry, guys. Just give me 1 second.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah,
You're gonna up the price on. I mean, these are worth it. This one is.
Yeah.
That one's worth 10. Babe. These two are probably, if this didn't have stains on it, it would be worth more, but it is 96.
The Dale Earnhardt and the Dale Earnhardt t-shirts, the jersey, and the Phillies ones. Okay, ahead, Dylan. So 25. Oh my God, I can't even count. 25. So 31. Okay. Thank you so much. Let me give you.
No, I didn't. Do you want any? Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
No, I'm
Do
good.
you want a bag for these?
No, I think I can just throw them. Do you want the hangers?
I do need the hangers.
Okay.
Sorry.
Whoops. Sorry, hon.
Do you know, I want to give you.
I got this and I'm good with
Let me
this.
give you a bag.
Okay. All right, guys. So that last sale was pretty good at the estate sale. We got that Dale Earnhardt. I paid $30 for everything. I just sold that shirt. $20 for all that. Oh, you know how much Legos go for?
You have so much Legos now they're sitting.
No. Oh wow, look at all the minifigures. Oh hell yeah. I'm grabbing this for 20. I'll take the Legos for 20. Absolutely. You want the balloon?
No, you can pop it. I'll take it for them.
Maybe you could, that's what I'm saying.
I'll tell you what, I have some, do you have a car or something?
It's right up there.
Okay, because I just watch, because some of these will slide out as you're...
Okay, let me give you the 20 real quick for those.
Drive down here when we're done then.
Okay.
Yeah,
Here's the 20 for the Legos.
sure, great.
And we're gonna keep looking. Is there stuff there or just here?
No, just out here. This
Okay.
is- yeah, good price
Awesome.
on everything.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Those are 80s Coke inserts that they put in Germany. It is.
That's neat.
There's a Janis Joplin in there.
Tom Sawyer. This is cool.
How much on your viewfinders? $3?
Yeah.
$3? You want them?
Sure. Yeah, absolutely.
Big on wasted stuff. Wind up, yeah.
And I tell you what, he hadn't been used for such a long time, but he's still.
Still vintage.
Yeah, $2 a piece.
Yeah, $2 for him.
Don't need to be worked with. Like I said, he does walk
Yeah.
a little bit.
What's that?
$2 for him. I don't know if he's worth anything. He walks, wind him up.
I don't know. What are these?
So you have your phone, I thought you were saying.
Oh, there's a see that?
These are McDonald's. Well, because usually there's little things like that, and they don't have tons of value. That's a squeaky toy.
Rock, how do you unlock that?
I don't know. These are cool.
You guys need one? Huh? Jonas, you don't have one?
You should be able to hire the, they can hire the,
You know, what are these?
you should be able to hire the bar.
You know what these were?
Yeah, I do. There were they're 80s Germany cap inserts for Coca-Cola.
Okay.
From the rocks, and I paid $5 for them a long time ago. I'll sell them for $5. I mean, I think Janis Joplin's in there and some other ones. And
They're really cool.
they are neat. I mean, I just didn't really. Yeah, they are neat. It's just time for me to downsize.
Time to let go, huh?
Time to let go.
That's pretty cool.
How much was this?
Oh man, I was gonna
Ranger.
ask $110, but you know what? I think I'll let you have it. How's that? Yeah, for free.
Sure, thank you.
You're welcome.
It is then.
You're welcome.
This is cool stuff too. Visitor. These are neat.
What?
This stuff is cool. This old stuff. I just don't know the value of it. I don't even know what to look. Google Lens, maybe. Old puzzle.
What comment?
That is neat. All right, guys, so we're home. Not too bad. We did find a couple more. Yeah, I got a bag in my hand. We got groceries. We did find a couple more of those NASCAR t-shirts. $100 shirt today. I spent $40 total. The one stop that I went to that had records and more vintage t-shirts, the records were all beat up. There were really good titles there, but the condition just wasn't there. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up button, hit that notification bell to get notified when I post another video. You're not going to want to miss my videos, guys. They are outlandish. Anyway, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Peace out.
Catch 'em on the blind side. FLA to NY, make the day turn to nighttime.